Today, we have an exciting comparison between two premium tires, the Michelin Primacy 4 and the Nokian Hakka Blue 3. Both are top contenders in the tire industry, but which one stands out in different driving conditions? Let's find out. First, let's introduce our contenders. The Michelin Primacy 4, launched in 2017, is known for its exceptional durability and versatile performance. On the other hand, the Nokian Hakka Blue 3, released in 2021, aims to build on the legacy of its predecessor, the Hakka Blue 2, with improved wet grip and handling. Starting with wet performance, the Nokian Hakka Blue 3 impresses with its superior wet braking and handling. In our tests, it stops from 100 to 0 km/h in just 28.6 meters, outperforming the Michelin Primacy 4 by 2.7 meters. The Hakka Blue 3 also completes a wet handling lap in 67.9 seconds, faster than the Primacy 4's 69.1 seconds. In the wet circle test, the Hakka Blue 3 edges out the Primacy 4 slightly, but the Primacy 4 excels in straight aquaplaning with a maximum slipping speed of 84.9 km/h compared to the Hakka Blue 3's 81.8 km/h. Moving on to dry performance, the Michelin Primacy 4 and the Nokian Hakka Blue 3 are closely matched. The Hakka Blue 3 stops from 100 to 5 km/h in 35.1 meters, just slightly better than the Primacy 4's 35.3 meters. For dry handling, the Primacy 4 achieves a lap time of 107.8 seconds, narrowly beating the Hakka Blue 3's 108.3 seconds. In terms of rolling resistance, the Michelin Primacy 4 takes the lead with a lower resistance coefficient of 7.87 compared to the Hakka Blue 3's 8.23. This translates to better fuel efficiency, with the Primacy 4 consuming 5.29 liters per 100 kilometers, while the Hakka Blue 3 uses 5.49 liters. So, which tire is the best? The Michelin Primacy 4 excels in rolling resistance and fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for those looking to save on fuel costs. Meanwhile, the Nokian Hakka Blue 3 shines in wet performance, offering superior wet braking and handling, ideal for safety-conscious drivers in rainy conditions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.